Hi, my name is Nina. I'm recording this video because I want to show a feature in Microsoft which enables us to dictate to the software and get the text. Okay. So I'm going now, just to make sure that everything is. I just want to say for the record that, okay, this is right. I just want to say for the record that I have been at a lesson in Russian, and were there a new immigrant called Valery, who had a black and white shirt, like in the Navy. Sabina was also a student. She's not blonde, but she has very big blue eyes, and she has a nice kept teeth. And there was Marina, who had a small card where she could, remember the lesson, and Elizabeth. Those were the students. Now, there was a teacher, and there is a saying that in the Russian culture, you really have to give respect to the teacher or the leader. And I do believe in that. I mean, when you see the ballet productions and everything, there is something about it. And I think he got offended because I was late and I had to go early. But there's a saying in Russian that you give higher respect if a person is senior to you by age. It's called T and V, and that's what we learned today. We learned identifying bodies, which is a very, very hard lesson. And there also were problems because Ani, which is me, is I in Hebrew, is them. And there are all kinds of little, but it was a Hebrew to a Russian lesson, and I actually met a lot of girls that they came out of there, and they were very good in English and very good in Russian, and they, I mean, if Russian people come over and they really, also improve their English on the way, and it seems that as if, they have songs also to learn. I think they have, Yuda as organized. Yuda is the name of the teacher. And he might have gotten offended. And I do respect him. He has lots of technology there, and, all the best, seems as if he's, prepared. Anyway, the head of all that pyramid, the MLM, the multi-level marketing, which is not a bad thing to be, when it's organized, because it's once it's, look at an army, it's organized. You have a pyramid. Okay, so now I'm going to show the dictation and go forward. Okay. So let me just open the Microsoft. Okay. So I'm going to show the Word now. And I actually don't know how to dictate. I mean, I have the program is in English. I guess since Russia is a big continent And there are many, many people in Russia. I'm sure this dictation also works in Russian. But I'll show the way to operate it, because I'm working now with a lawyer. I'm actually, you know, I have some stuff at the police to do. I mean, people laugh, but I am, you know, a sports instructor at the policia. Anyway, a sports instructor and a lifeguard, a pool lifeguard. So anyway, I'm going now forward, and I'm going to show how to dictate in a word. I mean, people laugh because I'm not very tall. I don't know. Anyway, so let's move forward. Share screen. Now my screen is in dark. I mean, okay, let's do the dictation. I'm just moving this. As you can see at the, you know, latest edition of Microsoft, you can press dictate, and but it will work phonetically. Okay, so let's press it. Hi. Hi. Oh, it doesn't work with the hi. Okay. Hi, my name is Nina. I thought maybe it doesn't work with Zoom on. Hi, my name is Nina. What is your name? Okay, I need to just make sure that the writing is from right to left. Hi, my name is Nina. What is your name? Okay. When I say new line, does it go down the paragraph? New line. Hello. New line. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. New line. New line. New line. So I was at a Russian lesson today. AI confused it. I'm pausing. Okay, so saying new line doesn't help. Dictate. Office dictation is Alt plus. Yeah, okay. It's a new version. Dictate, okay. Here we go. You can go and the instructions, and you can choose the language at the settings. Now I'm gonna try it in Hebrew, because I have a meeting on I'm waiting for the call. It's called the, spring lawyer, whatever. Let's go move and choose the. Okay, instead of English, we're going into Hebrew. Let's see how it works in Hebrew. I actually dictated for some time. Let's press H and yeah, fantastic. Save. Shalom. Again, but we need to move it from here to here. Shalom. שמי נינה. מה שמך? New line. It doesn't work. With this, okay. היום הייתי בשיעור רוסית. היו שם ולרי, בתלבושת מלאך, MCA, מלאך, מלאך. לא מלך, אבל anyway. שמו של המורה עם מערך שיעור מצוין ואותם יחסים של כבוד וכוח והיררכיה נשמרו. הוא המורה והוא צודק. בדרך כלל. לגבי המשפט שנאמר בסוף השיעור, עזבתי את הכיתה בנושא סיבה, והוא רצה שאשאר, אולם הייתי צריכה לצאת 5 דקות לפני 4, קינח במשפט, ואני עוברת לאנגלית, I chose English. Have I chosen English? Okay, I didn't start. Okay. He said to me when I left, "You will not study here." I had a feeling he was offended. But with all respect, he is not Prigozhin, is he? Because at the head of the multi-level marketing scheme stands Dima. And you have to respect all the corporation. Now I'm going to translate it. You can actually translate it and move it to a PDF and read that paragraph in Russian. So I'm gonna change this to the paragraph to translate. You know, sometimes you don't use an app for a long time. Translate selection. I look at the, okay, I'm use the translator. From English, no, I want it to Russian. Usually, when you go through the English, it's a, I need to that. When you go through the English, this doesn't go well. Not this one, okay. Translation to Russian. I'll change it into Russian because then I think it does it's okay. It usually keeps the well. Anyway, so let's see if I can read it out loud. I'm just pausing the, not to waste the time.
У меня было чувство, но при всем уважении он не приоргин, потому что во главе многоуровневой маркетинговой схемы стоит демо. Я знаю, что ты должен уважать всю корпорацию.
Корпорация is corporation. But anyway, it sounds better in Hebrew, doesn't it? Now let's go to the thing with the names, okay? The names of the girls that they, and the Valerie, which is also a Valeria. Valerie, hope it's not, you know, homosexual, but they usually don't have that. And I'm all for Robinson, that a new guy and Trump. Okay. Okay. Okay, honeybee. Anyway, this is the end. Sorry, I have to take care of something here. Ciao, ciao.